This dust could be slowly killing your gaming PC,
making it hotter, louder and potentially shortening its lifespan. And most people don't even know it's happening.
Today we're going to completely deep clean this gaming PC, safely, step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly how to keep your computer running cooler and healthier.
We're cleaning the fans, the graphics card, the radiator and all the places dust loves to hide. Before touching anything inside the PC, safety first, shut it down completely. Switch off the power and unplug the power cable. Then touch the metal case to discharge any static electricity.
But we're not stopping at cleaning. While we're in the case, we're gonna install this extra fan, which means cooler temperatures, better airflow, and give it cool green light for that extra glow.
To clean properly, I'm disconnecting a few cables so we can reach everything safely. Always pull on the connector itself, not the wires. Take your time, nothing should require force. Now we're ready to open it up. Let's get started.
By the end of this video, this dusty PC is... And this dusty PC is gonna look and perform completely different.
Now let's open this thing up. Just remove a few screws and you can pop it right open. This should look familiar.
Now let's take a look inside.
And yes, it definitely needs a cleaning. First we're gonna remove this part. Just remove the wire and slide it right out.
This is your graphics card or GPU, and it's responsible for rendering your games.
These bad boys are held by two clips. Just press them down with your finger and they'll pop right out.
And these are your memory modules, also known as RAM.
And this radiator is to cool down your processor or CPU.
And these are my case fans, and as you can see, they're quite dirty, so they need a cleanup.
It's quite simple. Air has to move through efficiently and dust blocks airflow. A blocked airflow means heat. And heat? Yeah, it's bad. Every one of these parts depends on airflow. And airflow is exactly what dust attacks.
If you are learning something useful so far, leave a comment and please subscribe. I make practical DIY videos that help you repair, maintain and save money on the things that you already own. And like I said, after cleaning the PC, we're gonna... And like I said, after cleaning the PC, we're gonna install this case fan. But for now, let's clean. That's necessary, as you can see.
First, loosen the dust using a soft brush. This helps remove debris without damaging components.
And that's one clean case fan.
And now for the satisfying part. Years of dust. Gone in a second. If these fins are dirty, the entire cooling system suffers. A lot of people skip these, but they collect the most dirt.
Believe me, this is still easier than repairing that washing machine. A simple cleaning like this can help extend the life of your computer and keep it performing at its best. If this video helped you, please leave a like and share it with someone whose PC desperately needs a cleaning. The cleaning is done, but we're not finished yet. Now it's time for the upgrade that I promised in the beginning.
These case fans are inexpensive and you can get them anywhere. Installing them is quite simple. Just find a nice spot, 4 screws, and your main power supply, and you're done. And if you want to do some cable management, now is the time. Just use some zip ties. Everything goes back exactly where it came from. Double check every connection and we're ready for the moment of truth. There we go! Cleaner airflow, less dust, better cooling. A healthier PC that's ready for many more gaming sessions.
And if you enjoyed this maintenance kind of content, check out the air conditioning cleanup that we did last week. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.